Okay, y'all, so I'm working on some new speedbag tricks. I don't know why, I just am. Why not? Let's get better. I realized I have to step up, so I added like a platform so I could be at the same level as the speedbag. That's going to help me do this elbow thingy that I'm doing. I don't know what it's called, but I see people do it and I've been wanting to do it. So this is me just like trying it out, feeling it out. And it's not easy, but it's alright. I gotta get used to like the feeling of it, I guess. And then once I get the feeling of it, then I can add my little swag. So don't be judging me too tough. Okay? Don't be judging me too tough. Look at that. I'm judging myself really tough. I had just did some push-ups and some ring stuff. That's why I'm sweating like a beast. And my arms are a little tired. So, this will kill your deltoids working the speed bag, but also like bring them to life. Give me 2 weeks. If I could do this in 2 minutes, imagine what I could do in 2 weeks, baby. Or 2 months or 2 years. Phenomenal. All right. Let me show you. So yeah, besides the elbow thingy, there's like a back punch. Like basically you reversing it. And I wanted to try that too. Also wanted to try the like speed fist. I don't know the names of these things. I promise I'm gonna look up the names of these things, because baby, when I get it, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it too. Right now, I'm just learning off of like whatever I've seen on YouTube, and I'm not even looking at it for reference. I'm just kind of like remembering it in the gym and just kind of using my body and my instincts. So this is coming out pretty good. I'm proud of this. Hit it. Okay, maybe not, but you know how this shit go. This ain't, nobody said it was gonna be easy. If it was easy, everybody be doing it. You feel me? Everybody ain't doing it for a reason. It's not that easy. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. Yeah, this is the thing I was talking about. I don't know what this is called, but a lot of people, when they first get to the speed bag, this is what they try to do. I think for me, I had to learn the real way first, like the rhythmic way, and that makes everything a lot easier. Being consistent and doing it for like a minute straight would be the goal for me right now, or at least 10 in a row. Oop. If I get 10 in a row, I'll feel like I'm doing something. The motion of like hitting the bag with your elbow is still new to me, so my body has to like learn it, and that's why I'm looking a little stiff. I don't really have the motion for this yet. So frustrating. But that also makes it more rewarding. Like when something is really hard, by the time you actually learn how to do it, you're so proud because you know what it took to learn that. And yeah, every now and then somebody will just catch something like naturally, like it just comes so easy for them. And shout out to them, because there's things in your life that will come easy for you. Like I know there's certain stuff I just pick up like nothing, and there's other things I struggle with. Whatever it is, whatever the case, it's all good. It is all to the good. This is another one. This is the side to side. You hitting it like from the sides. And if I could do this, I'm really feel like a speed bag superhero. I can't wait to learn how to do that. But today ain't that day. One thing at a time. This is the double punch, and I'm not amazing at it, but I'm doing okay. I'm impressed with like what I could do. It's like a one at a time thing. It's 2 punches instead of like that. It's like da 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 da. So how I know how to do stuff is literally by the sound that the bag makes. Like it's like da 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 da. Like it's weird. I don't know if my tribal ancestry is coming through, but I really listen to the sounds that the bag is making, and its timing and sounds, they collide, and that's how I get this anywhere with this bag. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna keep doing them bowls. This is good. I'm proud of this. Keep a little consistent. Them little drop steps. I love that you can catch it back. That makes you a better speed bagger. I don't know the word, but that makes you better. So don't feel bad like about that. One day you'll be hitting it consistent. Look at that. Ooh, she was doing something. I think I get too excited and then I'll mess it up. My arms are burnt. All right, we switching up the angles. Okay, then. So you can see how I'm hitting it. Because I think it's hard for you to see that I'm using my elbow whip from the other way. So yeah, I'm beating this up. Okay. But yeah, I think if I had more strength, I could have got further. But push through. You gotta push through those pain points. That's actually a transformation point. When you feel like, oh, I can't no more, and you still can, you're doing something to your body. That's the moment that change happens. That's when you really change your body right then and there. So don't fret, my pet. As you can see, I'm still going. I don't know why I never tried to learn tricks before. I'm kind of disappointed in that. Like, why didn't I ever try to learn tricks? Why am I waiting till now? I think I was just so happy to learn how to hit it and hit it well. And the only thing I was learning was movement. Because I was learning speed bag, be a better boxer, to keep my hands up, build my deltoids and my longevity and just like endurance. But so it wasn't for the tricks for me. So I feel like tricks is for like kids. But now I'm a big kid, so yeah, let's have fun. Let's play with the bag. Let's do it. Let's cut it up, run it up.
This is hard. This is like.
Shout out to the guy Diego who works at the gym, because he pumped my bag, gave me some air. Which reminds me, I should probably bring my pump with me today so that I can make sure my bag is full of air. If you over pump it, it'll pop. If you don't pump it enough, it'll be light and weak and stuff. This is my back stroke. I don't know what this is called, but I'm doing a lot better, so better. Look at this. I'm hitting it from the back, hitting it from the front. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I should probably watch some more videos and see what I'm up to. Anyway, that's it. It's been amazing.